Good news, everyone. There's a whole new Amber trial waiting to start because the insurance company has filed for declaratory relief because they don't want to pay. And so this could be a thing now with motions and practice and memorandums and all of it.
Legal battles have become Amber Heard's latest best friend as they have just kept her company for the past few weeks after the most talked about the trial of the year. One would think that after the verdict, Amber would finally take a breather, but guess what? More cases are getting filed against her. In fact, the Aquaman star might be taking another court tour as a new countersuit is being discussed involving her and her insurance company. So, what did Amber's insurance company say? And how will Amber wiggle her way out of this one? Based on the trial, Heard had been very candid about spending the $7 million divorce settlement to pay her litigation fee. Basically, she blamed Johnny for suing her and claimed that this is the reason she wasn't able to donate the divorce money she said she had already given away to charity. Her lawyer also revealed that Amber doesn't have the money to fulfill her legal obligation to Johnny, which amounts to massive millions of dollars. That is why Amber is running back to her insurance company to take cover and get more money to help her pay the trial fee she's supposed to pay. Well, her insurance company ditched her big time. In fact, they even filed a countersuit against Amber relating to the insurance policy the actress took, and they refused to give her a single cent. This is because, according to California Insurance Code 533, the insurance company contends it has no duty to defend Heard, according to the insurance company's complaint. And according to the case, the state code states that an insurer is not liable for a loss caused by the willful act of the insured. Saying more about this, Heard's insurance company said that although it had first told Heard that it would offer a legal defense, it was not required by California law to offer an indemnity for her activities, which are obviously willfully done with malice. On the other hand, Travelers, another insurance company that entered the picture, said that New York Marine should be responsible for at least half of the defense expenses.
What's happened is Travelers sued New York Marine for not paying their fair share of the 50% of the nearly $8 million that Travelers has forked out. At the end of the trial, I think that's what I read, $8 million. New York Marine says, no, we provided counsel. We provided the counsel that Amber Heard was already using. We're paying for them. We're not paying for more than one counsel.
According to the complaint, Travelers provided Heard with a home policy in 2018 that covered or possibly covered losses because of defamation and pledged a defense to any litigation seeking such damages.
And I joked about it being like being in a restaurant or arguing over the bill. You know, New York Marine ordered this great large platter of chicken parm that they could share with the whole table, and Travelers says, no, I'm more into the lobster by hiring Kaplan, and I don't want your local chicken parm. I'm going to have the filet of beef, which was Rottenborn, who was also a local Virginia counsel. And then when Kaplan left, that still was not good enough to work with New York Marine. They decided to hire, I joke about having flaming Alaska dessert. They decided to order to get Elaine Braderhoff. So now they've got 3 local counsels, and New York Marine was paying for one of them. But when Rottenborn came on, the entire team from the Traveler side stopped talking to Cameron McAvoy. They were not sharing any information from them. And in fact, we saw motions where their names are completely dropped off immediately. So if they're not going to work with Cameron McAvoy, they're going to be like, I'm out of here. And New York Marine is like, look, I paid for our counsel. They've left. I will now pay half of your counsel, but only up to an agreed limit, the ceiling.
Also, things got more complicated when New York Marine did not agree to pay more than one counsel to which they are already paying. And yes, Amber lied about paying her lawyers from her own pocket. According to court documents, New York Marine countersued and disputed several of the claims. The push and pull continued, and it's very evident that neither of the insurance company wants anything to do with Amber. Many fans are in awe at how Amber managed to scam these insurers, saying, "It's astounding how much Travelers is doing for Amber. She won't be able to pay back any costs, and it's really their fault for allowing the runaway train this has become." Another one added, "This stuff boggles my mind. She even hustled the insurance companies." Wow, what a cunning. They're not all locked up. It is obvious that Amber Heard is still not in the clear yet, and we will surely hear a lot more from her in the coming days. But for now, that's it for today's video. See you.